Model: 2020 Citroen Relay Boxer DUCATO 35L3 BlueHDi 165 6-speed manual, plus spares or repairs. Body: white, flatbed. Mileage: 110705. MOT: the 24th of August 2024. Engine: 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 165. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine seized, will need repairing or replacing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, air con, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.